Centuries ago, Aztec warriors relied on chia seeds for strength and endurance during long battles. Today, science confirms what they knew. These seeds are a nutritional goldmine. Ready to learn how chia seeds can fuel your modern-day challenges? Today, on Good Cup of Health, we will explore the amazing health benefits of chia seeds. But before we start, I would love to know from what country you are watching this video from. Please tell me in the comment section. As nature's natural multivitamin, chia seeds are loaded with multiple vitamins and minerals. Just 2 tablespoons provide a hefty dose of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, magnesium, and phenolic antioxidants. Did you know that chia seeds provide more calcium per ounce than some popular dairy products? There's a reason why experts call them functional food. Chia seeds' nutrition profile enables them to support overall health while potentially helping to defend against chronic diseases, especially when combined with other healthy foods. Researchers note that chia seeds are among the most promising gluten-free foods for human health owing to their perceived beneficial properties. Now let's dive into the 11 top health benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds health benefit number 11. Brain health booster. Sharpening your mind with every seed. Most of us are aware that our brain is the command center of our body, powering us through the day. And these seeds can help enhance our brain's performance by providing it with the nutrients it needs. Chia seeds are loaded with plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid or ALA. ALA support neural communication and could increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factors or BDNF. BDNF promotes neuron survival, neurogenesis, which is the creation of new neurons, and synaptic function. All these processes are vital for neuroplasticity, cognitive function, and protection against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. ALA may defend the brain against neurological injury, enhance cognitive function, and potentially protect against dementia, according to experts. Number 10. Health benefit of chia seeds. Natural skin glow. The skin health benefits of chia seeds are impressive. They are high in antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol that fight the free radicals that trigger premature aging, while their omega-3s provide healthy fats that nourish the skin. Chia seeds' protein profile is sufficient enough to provide your body with amino acids that support collagen production, improving the skin's elasticity. The omega-3 fatty acids also work together to produce vitamin F. And as experts from skincraft.com highlight, this vitamin helps regulate skin health, protects against acne, acts as an anti-inflammatory, and strengthens the skin's barrier. Number 9. Health benefit of chia seeds. Energy and endurance enhancer. If you've been feeling sluggish lately, chia seeds might be the pick-me-up you need. Remember when I previously mentioned that the ancient civilization, the Aztecs, used to eat chia seeds to provide them with energy for long battles? They were able to sustain that energy because these seeds provide a balance of fiber, healthy fats, and protein that slowly release energy, therefore reducing blood sugar spikes and crashes. One 2011 study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning discovered that half of a sports drink substituted with chia seeds provided athletes with the same energy as a full sports drink while also cutting their carb and sugar intake in half. Number 8. Health benefit of chia seeds. Reproductive health booster. If you are trying to improve your reproductive health, look to chia seeds to support you on your journey. With their rich antioxidant content, they could help improve sperm quality in men and enhance egg quality in women. For example, the anti-inflammatory effects of the omega-3s could help reduce inflammation. And as research shows, chronic inflammation is an overlooked contributor to fertility issues in some women. In men, chia seeds could help improve sperm's morphology and motility thanks to minerals like selenium, zinc, magnesium, and iron, and nutrients like choline. In women, the antioxidants could help protect the eggs from oxidative stress, and the omega-3s may enhance the egg cell membrane, creating a more welcoming environment for fertilization. And selenium content in chia seeds may improve egg quality. Having low levels of selenium could be an overlooked contributor to miscarriages in pregnancy. Researchers point out that selenium status in the hair could indicate the probability of miscarriage or recurrent miscarriages. Fertility doctors like Dr. Sumaira Khan recommend foods containing selenium to help boost fertility and potentially lower the risk of miscarriage, preeclampsia, and gestational diabetes. Chia seeds health benefit number 7. Anti-inflammatory ally, soothing your body from within. Research continues to show that chronic inflammation is at the center of many health issues, from arthritis to heart disease and even obesity. Studies have shown that chia seeds could lower CRP, which stands for C-reactive protein, a biomarker for inflammation. High CRP levels mean your body is experiencing inflammation. And with high CRP and inflammation, cell-destroying free radicals multiply and increase oxidative stress. Oxidative stress has been shown to increase the risk of heart disease and cancer. Chia seeds, being the superheroes they are, use the anti-inflammatory powers they get from omega-3s and powerful antioxidant polyphenols such as caffeic acid, chlorogenic acid, myricetin, kaempferol, and quercetin to scavenge for free radicals in the body. Antioxidants also chelate free ions and donate hydrogen molecules to neutralize harmful free radicals. All these processes performed by anti-inflammatories and antioxidants in chia seeds protect your cells from damage and reduce oxidative stress. Chia seeds health benefit. Number 6. Immune system support, building your body's defenses. Did you know that having a strong immune system is your body's first line of defense against illness? Due to chia seeds' nutrition profile, they could help boost your immune system. The components in chia seeds have immunostimulatory effects, meaning they stimulate immune system activity, but positively, according to research. Chia seeds health benefit. Number 5. Heart health hero, protecting your most vital organ. Globally, heart disease continues to be the leading cause of death for men and women. And this tiny but mighty seed could reverse that. Because it's rich in omega-3s, specifically ALA, it could reduce inflammation and LDL, which is the bad cholesterol that promotes heart disease. A 2014 study published in Plant Foods for Human Nutrition discovered that eating chia seed flour significantly reduced blood pressure and improved the lipid profile in participants with high blood pressure. Chia seeds health benefit. Number 4. Helps keep you regular, moving things along smoothly. You, like many others, may have your bouts or even struggle with bloating, constipation, or irregular bowel movements. I'm here to tell you that chia seeds may help relieve these digestive issues. Per 2 tablespoons or 28 grams, chia seeds provide roughly 8 to 11 grams of fiber, which represents up to 40% of your daily fiber needs. The fiber acts as a gentle broom for your digestive system, helping to relieve bloating and constipation while increasing bowel movements. And the prebiotic fiber feeds beneficial and healthy gut bacteria. The soluble fiber in chia seeds could help reduce inflammation in the gut. Number 3. Health benefit of chia seeds. Better blood sugar control. Did you know that managing blood sugar isn't just a requirement for people with diabetes, but for everyone? All of us must work on maintaining healthy blood sugar levels to avoid energy crashes and long-term health risks. Walking around with high blood sugar levels can increase the risk for heart disease, high blood pressure, insulin resistance, mitochondrial dysfunction, chronic low-grade inflammation, obesity, and problems with the liver, kidneys, heart, nerves, and eyes. High blood sugar can also lead to mood disturbances or exacerbate them, and researchers continue to show the link between mood disorders and high or unstable blood sugar. Thanks to chia seeds' nutrition fiber profile and gel-forming properties, they could help regulate blood sugar by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream when consumed regularly with other healthy foods. If you have type 2 diabetes and also struggle to lose weight, eating chia seeds regularly may help you lose weight by improving blood sugar and increasing insulin sensitivity. In a study with overweight participants with type 2 diabetes, the participants lost weight and improved their blood sugar levels, which also meant better insulin responses. Experts warn us that maintaining insulin sensitivity is important not only for weight loss, but overall health. They continue to highlight that increasing insulin sensitivity is crucial for preventing conditions like type 2 diabetes and heart-related problems. Chia seeds health benefit number 2. Reduces appetite and keeps you feeling fuller longer. Because of chia seeds' ability to expand in the stomach, they help keep you feeling fuller longer. And while they aren't necessarily a magic bullet for weight loss, they can support weight loss management with continual proper diet and exercise. And lastly, chia seeds health benefit. Number 1. Bone strength supporter. Osteoporosis, or bone loss, is a silent threat for many of us as we get older, making us frailer and increasing our odds of fractures and falls. Chia seeds could be very beneficial in providing our bones with the minerals they need to stay strong and dense. They are loaded with calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, 3 important minerals for bone health. Our bones need calcium for mineralization and density. Magnesium is vital for bone health because it stimulates osteoblasts and regulates osteoclasts and calcium, and it activates vitamin D, another nutrient critical for bone health. Phosphorus is a key component of hydroxyapatite, a mineral compound that hardens and strengthens bones. And just like magnesium, phosphorus is also vital for calcium regulation. Chia seeds, along with other non-dairy foods, could be a good alternative source of calcium for those who cannot consume dairy products. Now, with all these chia seeds' benefits, some of you may be wondering, how much should you eat? Experts typically recommend one serving, which is 2 tablespoons or 28 grams a day. Because of their versatility, they can be added to just about anything. Some people put them in their smoothies, yogurt, eggs, and breakfast cereal. The possibilities really are endless. My mother likes to add chia seeds to her morning eggs. I like to add chia seeds to my Greek yogurt. You can even go to your favorite search engine and type chia seed recipes, and you'll come across a plethora of recipes. Here are some quick suggestions for chia seed mistakes to avoid. 1. Do not eat them dry. Chia seeds take in a lot of water, so eating them dry can cause digestive issues or lead to choking. There was a case of a man who ate them dry, then drank water after, and moments later they expanded and lodged in his throat. So I repeat, do not eat them dry. 2. Stick to the recommended serving size. The general serving size is 1 or 2 tablespoons a day. 3. Stay hydrated. Because chia seeds absorb a lot of water, it's important to stay hydrated throughout the day, as this also helps pass them along in your digestive tract. I will make a longer video soon regarding chia seed mistakes to avoid, so be on the lookout for it. As we've seen, chia seeds offer incredible benefits. Think better energy, stronger bones, and a happier gut. In a world of complex diets, chia seeds remind us that simple changes can yield big results. They're proof that nature often has the best answers. Are you ready to make them a part of your wellness story, or have you already done so? Tell me in the comment section. Until next time, thank you for watching.